Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Emirates Islamic how to pay credit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to pay Emirates Islamic credit card from the app, the first thing that you need to do is open the Emirates Islamic mobile app. So to do, simply head over and open up your Emirates Islamic app, and then once you're inside, what you need to do is log in using your username, your password, and then your biometric fingerprint or face ID. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is on the home screen you'll find an option that says cards, right? Simply tap on that, and now once you're inside your cards option, you can also go to the settings by menu as well and select credit cards there. And once you tap on it, what you need to do here is select a credit card that you want to make a payment. You'll see an option to pay your outstanding balance. What you need to do now is simply tap on pay credit card, and now choose the payment amount. Select one of these like minimum due, total outstanding, custom amount, then select the payment account, choose the Emirates Islamic savings or current account. Then simply confirm the payment, review the details, and then tap on confirm. Then once done, what you need to do is you'll need to enter the one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. And once you enter that, you'll see a confirmation message, and the amount is usually updated instantly or within the same day. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.